Greetings, everyone. Happy New Year. I know that sounds a little bit late, but I hope you're having a fantastic start to this brand new 2024. I don't know about you, but for me, it feels as though I blinked my eyes and we went from New Year's Eve, the countdown, 10, 9, 8, 7, and all of a sudden here we are at the start of February. I just cannot believe that January 2024 is done. It was a great month though, we had a lot of fun, but I can tell you that in 2024, we're off and running and we're going at full speed ahead with a lineup of exciting visits throughout this first quarter. Our executive team is making its presence felt in every corner of the world already. As we laid out our global travel, we felt the need to connect with as many people as humanly possible. This connection for us is vital and deliberate because we know that face-to-face interactions enhance our ability to share and achieve our common goals. And accountability is key, and knowing that there are individuals equally committed to connecting, building, and growing motivates us to stay focused and dedicated to what matters most. During the holiday season, I took the time for some family outings and to spend time with our wonderful family, including a kids' choice movie. This is where mom and dad sit down with the kids and say, okay, we're going to a movie, you decide. And no matter what it is, we have to agree to go. So they choose, without hesitation, the Wonka film. This is this new adaptation of the Willy Wonka story. And all of you are familiar with this extraordinary character at the heart of the Wonka story. And who can help but be fascinated by the world's greatest inventor of confection and magical chocolatier. What an amazing sentence. But beyond the obvious magic and wonder that this story brings, it carries a profound message that everything is possible. Now, we went to the movie, had a lot of fun, and as an adult, watching this story, I recognized Willy Wonka to be the ultimate example of an entrepreneur. Influenced by his mom, he understood that the best things in life begin with a dream. And he had the ability to make that dream a reality. I could instantly see there was a clear link with what we do. And there is a reason that being entrepreneurial is a part of our forever mission statement. Willy Wonka became an expert on his product. He devised a marketing plan and ultimately executed this plan. Like Wonka, each of you has taken the steps to focus on action and opportunity. You have let go of fear and turned your passion into profit. You have taken the initiative to use your creativity, skills, and talents to create a new opportunity and allowed yourself to think and dream big. But here is where the difference really lies. Not only was Wonka a great example of a dreamer, it was also his approach to sales that set him apart. He didn't aim to bring others down to create his success and sell more. Instead, he believed that everyone deserved the opportunity to try his delectable and innovative treats. This stands true for all of us. You have learned to nurture relationships with your customers, embrace a vision of coexistence and support for your fellow FBOs and downlines because it fosters personal success and gratitude. In other words, you have taken your dream, you've made it in a consumable form, i.e. the Forever Marketing Plan and our fantastic products. You've presented that message to others and you said, hey, try this, try my chocolate. Throughout the story, we see many challenges of the new business and the necessary changes as these obstacles arise. It is then that Wonka realizes the secret his mother had never revealed to him as a young boy. You see, he thought it was all about the chocolate. He thought it was all about all of these other things. Now, all those things are vital. The product's vital, the marketing plan's vital. All of these things are vital in your business as it was in Wonka's entrepreneurial objective. But, as his mother reminded him, the secret is not the chocolate that matters. It's the people you share it with. This particular phrase resonated with me, prompting me to reflect on forever emphasizing the significance of the connections we make, the friendships, the bonds that we make with other humans. I couldn't find a better analogy for our remarkable Forever company. Our products set a standard of excellence that is truly unparalleled. And while I firmly believe our opportunity is the best in the world, it's essential to recognize that on their own, neither fulfill their potential. In other words, relationships are wonderful. Our product and service is wonderful, but the true potential is when they come together. The critical piece of this equation, bringing these together, is you. It's the man or woman in the mirror. It's the individuals we share it with and the people you in turn share it with. It's an ongoing narrative of growth and entrepreneurship, with many of you choosing diverse paths for your forever journey. However, the common denominator remains: we must share forever. Let's make 2024 a year of connection and community. Share the products, share the opportunity, share your passion, because like Willy Wonka's chocolates, forever cannot be kept a secret. It was meant to be shared. Thanks everybody, we'll see you soon.